Today I'm bringing you the best Cuban comfort food. We start with the heart of every Cuban kitchen, black beans, slowly cooked with garlic, onions, peppers, bay leaf, cumin, and a splash of olive oil. Then we move to the chicken, a full Cuban seasoning base, garlic salt, we add some paprika, some of my favorite rub, and some black pepper. And here is the magic, an injection of melted butter with sazon. This keeps the meat insanely juicy even after hours on the smoker. We'll inject breasts, legs, and thighs to make sure we have moist and flavor all over these chickens. Into the Traeger they go, low and slow, letting the smoke turn that skin golden and the meat fall off the bone tender. And while the food does its thing, a little piece break by my koi pan, because good food always starts with a calm mind. Now the Cuban picadillo, ground beef cooked with onions, peppers, tomato sauce, cumin, oregano, and of course, olives. Add mashed potatoes with butter, garlic, and a touch of milk. Then bring everything together for that classic Cuban comfort combo. A final touch with some green onions for flavor and look. This right here, this is Cuban comfort food. Simple ingredients, deep flavors, and recipes passed down for generations. This combination will fill your stomach and your soul. So please, let me know if you want to see the recipes for all the individual dishes. If you want more flavor and more real food, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring with me. Thanks for watching.